Hi and welcome to my channel. I am here with my monthly subscription to Ipsy, and I will show you what I got. I think it's it costs about $15 a month, and this time it came with masks, 2 of them. So I guess that's part of the 4 to 5 items that you get once a month. And this one is the Fresh Garden Pomegranate Firming Mask. Fresh Garden Firming Mask will be the solution to help your skin problems. Oh, that would be nice. And then this one is the Fresh Garden Acai Berry Calming Mask. Mask will be the solution to help your stress skin problems. Okay, sounds good. And this is the bag. It's a cute bag. It's like it's not a very hard plastic or leather or whatever it is, but I think it's cute this month. And it's got the little zipper. It says Ipsy here, and it's orange from the back, and it says Ipsy there. And it's got all these like post marks on it, so I think that's cute. A metal zipper. And then it has this, and it says it's the theme Go There is the theme this month. That's my husband Ben. I don't think he knew I was filming. And then the first item I am pulling out here is, it says Lord and Berry. It is I think it says it's a crayon lipstick. So, yeah, crayon lipstick. Let me just give it a little swatch here. It's very close to what I have on right now. Yeah, I think it's very close to what I have on right now. And I lost the lid. But there's that. I've never had one of these before. Lord and Berry. Never heard of that before. And this is by Sugar and Brow Definer. So I probably won't be using this. I'll give this to my daughter, so I'll just leave it closed, because I usually don't do anything with my eyebrows. So that's that. Then the next item I have here is by Tarte. And I don't know what this is. Smooth Operator, it says. I don't know what that is. I'll have to look that up, what it is. But it has a little tab here, which I just pulled. And I don't know what you do. Not sure what it is. If it's I don't know, mineral thing, like a mineral. I won't put it on my face. Very smooth. Oh my goodness, I love that. That would feel really good on your face. Yeah. I'll let you know if I don't like it next month. So that's that. And Tarte, I think, is a good brand. And it doesn't smell like anything. Then the next item, I already tried it. It is the Koki nail polish, and it's the one that I have on. And my nails are really horrible, so, and since I put it on, I was outside doing some garden work already. But I just love the way this looks. Like the box is really cute, but look at this. I just love the way it looks, and it's got a little elephant. I don't know if that's their logo, the elephant, but I think it's more like a, I don't know, I've seen it called cotton candy, but this one is called Fresh Picked, and it's very like it goes on very smooth, very shiny, and it doesn't take too long to dry. So that's what I like. I like to, I just redid that nail. Looks, my nail jobs are not good. And I've, looks terrible. But yeah, the color is cute. It's not really my color, but yeah, to have it in my stash back there. There goes Bill. He's excited Daddy's home. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next month with another ipsy unboxing. And I don't know, I guess I'm excited to try these, and the lip crayon is not bad, and not too fond of the nail polish, and this I have no clue what it really is. Smooth operator finishing powder. Okay, so it might be good. I shall try it. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.